Hello, this is Robert McKim, founder and president of the Community Awareness and Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol. As you can see maybe behind me here, we got a severe thunderstorm heading our way. We're already under a severe thunderstorm warning here in Carroll County. So be safe out there, batten down your hatches. If you have any appliances hooked up or anything that's going to blow away, you better get it now. Like my neighbors here. Anyhow, be safe and be on your basically on your guard. God bless you.